Oh, wait, when did this one come out? Oh, it's a new one. Wait, okay, we're going to watch the Sam Time video, actually. And then we're going to end the stream. I love Sam Time. He's great. Anyone who hasn't seen Sam Time's videos, I don't know what you're doing with your time. Go do it. Last time he did one of these, I remember some Linux YouTubers reacted to it, and they didn't understand that every single video that he does is a joke. Like, he does not make serious videos. Stop taking anything that he says, like, as if he actually means it. I watched this already? Well, I didn't, so we're gonna watch it. I tried switching to Linux. How you doing, Richie? Welcome, welcome.
Oh, Linux. Oh, hey there, everyone. I'm Sam Tucker.
You are.
Today, I'll be trading in my MacBook for a Linux block. Because, yes, over the years, I have poked a little bit of fun at Linux without ever giving it a proper, real go. For instance, I installed Linux onto an Apple Silicon MacBook.
That was a horrible idea. He did that a while ago as well. I think that was before the GPU drivers already as well.
Which is not ideal conditions. I used Arch Linux without a degree in computer science, and I even complained that installing apps was hard, even though I was the one who forgot to plug in the internet. Now,
that'll do it, yeah.
6 hours left in the day. That should be just enough time to install Linux. I'm sweating already.
What are we going with today? What are we using?
Oh, I haven't even started and Linux is already stressing me. Now, I've created a bootable Ubuntu.
How do you say it? Hold up.
Already stressing me. Now, I've created a bootable Ubuntu.
Okay, acceptable, acceptable.
USB stick. I figured we'd go with Ubuntu because that's the most kid-friendly, non-nerd edition. In fact, when I was setting up the bootable drive for Ubuntu, the Mac tried to stop me. It said, Sam, no, don't do Ubuntu, it's not worth it. Well, we're about to find out. It comes with loading music. Very nice. It looks like a Civilization 6 boot menu.
It looks like not the bird they say it is. It looks like the biggest problem they've ever had, where they claim it's a Oriole, but they actually have a picture of a bullfinch.
Party software for graphics and Wi-Fi. Yes, I want this all just to work out of the box. System program problem detected.
What the fuck?
Yes, I want this all just to work out of the box.
System program problem. What the fuck is that? What does that mean?
Program problem detected. We're sorry, but we're not sure what the error is. Try restarting your computer and start the installation process again. Oh, this is not good. All right, first time didn't work. That's to be expected. Let's try it again.
I have never seen that before. I've seen that error. What fixed it? Ubuntu system program problem detected. Oh, it's not a new thing. The people who reported it back in 1804. People who reported it back in 1404. Fixed it, just not use Ubuntu. Yeah, good plan. Okay, sure. I don't know how this man finds so many issues I've never seen before. Ren, that's how I feel when I talk to you. Anyway, moving on.
Few moments later.
Welcome back, everyone. We got it going. Turns out we were trying to install too much at one time. Too many packages. All right, let's
that actually could be
restart the computer. This is a big reset. This is bigger than the Great Reset.
What we want to do is to push the reset button.
Oh.
You will eat the bugs. You will own nothing. And you'll be happy. Sorry, you can't bring up the World Economic Forum and the Great Reset without just going hard with the joke.
It actually launched into Ubuntu. How about that? Check out who's excited. We're installing Ubuntu.
Kitty!
Are you happy for Ubuntu? Are you trying to find a more competent operating system? Buddy, we tried Arch and it didn't go very well.
You didn't clean your fucking screen. Jesus Christ.
We tried Arch and it didn't.
Jesus Christ! What is this? You use your computer like this? How? Why? Grab a paper towel and some Windex. Jesus Christ. It looks like he nutted on it from the other side of the room.
It didn't go very well. This makes my head sad. I tell you what, I'm
Just
gonna
like
need a
nut
lot of
spray
energy to get
everywhere.
through this video, and that's why I'm thanking this video's sponsor,
Oh.
Charge.
Charge?
And their Char Geek 170 power bank. Now this beautiful
That looks cool.
log of power packs 24,000 milliamps of energy that can keep your device.
What is your opinion on see-through electronics? How do you feel about them?
Is powered all day and still be allowed on an airplane. With 2 USB-C ports
I agree.
and a USB-A, the Char
No
Geek
thanks.
can fast charge 3 devices at once with a massive 170 watt of max output. And
I don't know
with
if that's a lot.
a single USB-C port having 140 watts of max output, you can even plug in
do you have the
16-inch
Oh, do you have that one?
MacBook Pro chonk and still have 30 watts to spare for your iPhone as well. And if you're like me and like to take long, hard looks at your Charge, then you'll see that through the beautiful transparent design,
It does look
there's
pretty good.
actually a smart display there that gives you all the stats on your current charging situation, which means I now have the confidence to charge in the park. Or on a long haul flight, I can join the Mile High Charge Club and charge right in the cabin. So what are you waiting for?
Stop it.
Share your charge and charge today. And click the link in the description to get your own charge.
Pretty sure all prison electronics are see-through. You know what? You actually make a really good point. I hadn't actually thought of that before.
Geek 170 power bank now. Log in Ubuntu. Welcome to Ubuntu 24.1. So the screen
No, that would
isn't
be
upside down.
24.10, not 24.1. There's a 0 there.
And that's a plus. All right, let me search for my apps. Apps, assemble. Let's just see if we can start screen recording so you guys can see things a bit clearer. Capture. All right, looks like we're recording the screen. Hopefully this works. In fact, let's just
Oh, GNOME. GNOME.
Oh, it looks hideous. Linux screen recording. Gross. Oh, it's already being so Linux. All right, let's find a screen recording program.
OBS.
Well, this isn't overkill. This is how I want to spend my entire day. I'm looking into the tunnel of doom and death. This
but
is
it
a
works.
metaphor. This is a metaphor for open source. Start recording. All right, so I think it's recording now. Your input can't be opened. Check the log. Well, where's... All right, so I think it's recording
what is
now. Your
Yes, he's unable to open the... Unable to open the file? Oh. Did you stop recording? Wait. I'm confused why OBS would have done that. That seems like it didn't save the file properly.
input can't be opened. Check the log. Well, where's the check the log button? Let's change MKV to MP4. You can't play MP4. All right then, so if I were...
How have you had issues recording with OBS? OBS, is it actually just OBS being a snap? Is that actually just the problem?
to use Linux so far as my professional machine, it may be a little hard to have a YouTube career without being able to play video. So things so far aren't looking too good. Let's see what else is on the list. Email. Doesn't look like I have an emailer installed.
Does Ubuntu not come with an email client? Because I know GNOME has an email client in their suite. I don't know if they pre-install it though. It's possible they just don't. I don't know. Actually, I don't know if it's part of the core set though. That's the thing. I'm actually not sure. Doesn't it come with does it come with Thunderbird? I don't know if... Most people just use email clients in the browser, yeah. That's probably why they don't do it.
Please give me an email. Vivaldi has a green tick.
Okay, that's the App Center being fucking stupid.
Next to it, that seems nice. Although it looks more like a web browser, so that's not actually what I asked for. I'm just gonna go with the Thunderbird for now. I must say that when the apps do show up in the App Store, they are quite easy to install. They're just like installing something from Microsoft or Apple, except you don't have to hand over your credit card or nothing. All right, it actually loaded up my email quite handily. Let me test a new email here. Hey Addy, just testing an email from my Ubuntu machine. Love, Sambuntu, sending message. All right, so we've sent off that message. Let's see if that gets through to the lovely, lovely wife. YouTube downloading. Yes, sometimes I've been known to download a YouTube video, you know, so I can make little clips from videos and stuff like that.
Criminal!
You have no place on our platforms.
All right, this looks pretty good. All right, it's got the video. It's downloading. Bada boom, bada bing, bada bang.
Literally all of them are just GUIs for YouTube DL or YTDLP.
Let's see the file. Ooh, it has downloaded the YouTube video beautifully.
Without the audio.
I had to pay on Mac for a special app that could do this. But on Linux, people care about stealing things, and
they do.
They write your apps for free. Let's have a look at getting some script writing done. So we need some sort of word. Well, let's just type in Office, see what happens. Okay, so this is a...
Okay, what do we have here?
Some sort of word. Well,
Office.
let's just type in Office, see what happens.
What do we have here? Okay. GNU image manipulation program. No. Discord. No. Eclipse. No. Docty. No. Wormhole. No. Molden. No. AWS CLI. No. What the? Surely he had to have scrolled past LibreOffice. Surely. This has to be a bit. Like, surely he's like intentionally hiding Libre. The Ubuntu store is not this bad, is it? Or the App Center is not this bad at showing apps. Surely not. Ubuntu ships with LibreOffice. Does it? Also, wouldn't it still be in the list, though? That's the thing. Like, let's say you uninstalled it. Wouldn't it still be in the list? I would imagine it would still be in the list. That would make sense.
Okay, so this is a web browser, LibreOffice. That sounds...
He didn't scroll past it.
What happens? Okay, so...
So you've 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This is a...
12 apps down to find a program that has Office in its name. It's not alphabetical. I don't know what it is. Because it's not using the search term either. None of these projects have Office in their name. Or in their description. Or anywhere in their listing. I have no idea what this sorting is.
Web browser, LibreOffice. That sounds like an Office suite.
It does.
One of these, please. Oh, look at this. An error code.
Please run package manager. An error code. Please run package manager from the right-click menu or app to get in a terminal to see what is wrong. The error message was error broken count greater than 0. This usually means that your installed packages have unmet dependencies. It's a snap. What?
Please run package manager. Wow, how many errors have we seen in this whole video so far? It's amazing. This is the year of Linux.
True, brother.
Select JRE.
Select the Joe Rogan experience. The LibreOffice configuration to be changed. Under tools, options, select the Java runtime environment you want. This is...
He's got enough attention, doesn't he? Joe Rogan trying to get in on my Linux. Oh, what do you know? We have a freaking error already. Good God.
I'm going to chalk a lot of this up to the snap. No Java installation could be found. I'm I have a feeling this might be Snap.
I just opened LibreOffice. It said, create a database. I said, sure. Would you like us to do it all automatically? I said, sure. What does it say? Database could not be established. Now, whose fault is that? That's right, not mine. Text
JRE's.
document. Looks good to me. All right, you can do text. Thank goodness there's at least that. But the real tricky thing, which I have been fearful for this whole video, is...
He didn't update the system after install. Here's a good question. Is there a reason why the installation process shouldn't automatically do the first update? I cannot think of a good reason why it shouldn't. Like during the installation process, the final step should be updating the system. If you can think of a reason why that shouldn't happen, I would actually like to know, because I can't think of a reason why. It gives you the option of letting it do that. I don't think it's on by default. But there's a screen that prompts you. Just don't give the user the option. Just do it. There is no world where you wouldn't want to do that. Okay, you know what? Let's just say, make it be on by default, but if you really, really don't, there's like a toggle somewhere in the installer where you can disable it. And it's like, are you really sure you don't want to update? Like, it makes it really, really annoying to not do it. That's what I think.
A new video edit on a Linux. Now, they say that DaVinci Resolve, a very popular professional web...
Does any distro do this with initial updates? Well, Arch Linux, installing packages isn't... Like, you don't have the packages on the ISO. Besides, like, the basic core stuff to boot it. So, Arch Linux, you, by default, like, by the way the installer works, you have to update your packages. Same with Manjaro, I think. Actually, maybe Manjaro does it differently. I know Arch and most of the Arch-based stuff does. Manjaro might be different, though.
Editing the software is compatible with Linux, although, as you can see, it does not show up in the App Store.
It would, yes, it wouldn't if you spell it wrong, correct.
With Linux, although as you can...
Yes, if you spell DaVinci Reslove, it definitely won't show up.
You can see it does not show up in the App Store. And so, that's no problem. We can just download it from their website. Okay, now let's just see what happens if we try to open the file. So the .run file doesn't run. That's a little bit of a shame. All right, let's consult the internet. So the way we fix anything in Linux is we copy and paste some code we found online into the terminal.
True.
It's caching, it's locking. It's doing stuff. You know, I don't know, why do I have to put so many commands into Linux? I mean...
It's not a... Yeah, but if you don't know what a snap is, you see the App Store and you're like, why? There should be apps in the App Store. Like, that logically would make sense. I feel like there was a deb.
God, he only had 10 commands. Why does Linux need 100?
No, there's not.
So the terminal has, for some reason, turned into DOS, and I don't know if it worked or not. Now I am become DOS, destroyer of computers. Okay, why? Yes. Sudo, yes. Why can't I type anything? Ah! The power of sudo compels you.
Just press enter.
All right, so while it's taken a while to do that, let's see if we have a photo.
Could not get lock. Oh, I know why. It's because the App Store has grabbed a lock on apt. Yeah. Get fucking rolled.
So that we can do thumbnails on YouTube. I hear GIMP is the way to go. All right, now, are we able to just drag images into GIMP?
Theoretically.
Let's see. Oh, that actually does work. I didn't expect it to. Drag in the happy man. This is actually kind of working. Okay, how do we make him bigger? Oh, we got a new message from the wife. Yes, it has. Did you send it through terminal?
Sent from iPhone.
No, we didn't send it through terminal. We send it through Thunderbird. I love Linux.
Oh my god, he's worked out to
I think I could do thumbnails in Linux. It's just about as good as my usual work, so
yeah,
right. Let's go back to the hard one of video editing. Okay.
Da
how we
Vinci.
going here? It is still apt getting.
Wait.
Video editing. Okay.
Is he not a native English speaker? Where is he from? Because I'm very confused why Google is... He's Romanian, if I remember correctly.
Respect the sign. Lives are on the line.
He apparently lives in Australia. Of course he fucking does. Everyone does. Huh. No, I've just never noticed him show something like this before.
How are we going here? It is still apt getting. It doesn't look
It's
like
still broken.
wants to do anything with the Da Vinci, so because
No
I
Da Vinci.
value the years that I do have left in my life, I think we'll just have a look at a native Linux
Kdenlive!
an open sourcey one.
Samtime and Tech Oversee. I would love to do that. I love Samtime's content.
Kdenlive. Let's see if this works. So this is meant to be a video editing software that works. No, actually it doesn't work.
Oh yeah, it's still no the it's still getting the package lock error. Ubuntu is cooked right now. Oh. Yeah, Photopea is great. I just realized it's been almost a year since my first Tech of Tea. Where did 2024 go? I wish I knew. I really wish I knew.
I spoke too soon. Package error, cannot get lock. Well, where's lock? Go to the lock and find the monster and bring him to my Linux because he's not working. Be aware that...
According to the comments, he closed the terminal mid-installation. Ooh. Ooh, okay.
Removing the lock is not a solution and may break your system. How many times have I been warned that it will break my system? The system already doesn't work. Breaking it wouldn't make it any worse. Let's try that one more time. Maybe it needs to be a snap. Give me the snap. Oh, Sam, you don't know the difference between a snap and a flap? No. Why do I have to know? Why does an app not be an installing app? Oh, this isn't the type of app you use to install. This is the app you use to have an error. Cool. Let's open Kdenlive. Kdenlive crashed on last night. Yep.
Yeah, that's about right. First time boot. Yeah, that's not too far off.
I want to reset the configuration files. Well, apparently I don't get a choice.
You don't need to do it. It doesn't matter.
All right, here's one of my videos. Oh, look, I'm editing on Linux. Change speed. Oh, let's slow me down.
It has pitch correction. He didn't enable the toggle.
That's a little spooky. Let's fade in as well.
Hang on a minute. Is this right?
Oh, anything is possible in Linux. Here I was making a mockery every video when really anything is possible. Wow. So there you go. There's Linux. Did it work? A little bit. All right, so I will be fair. A lot of this probably would have gone smoother if it actually installed all those dependencies and extra apps.
Yeah, that would be why his MP4s didn't play, because it doesn't actually have the codecs for it installed.
It says it was going to when I first installed the thing, but in typical Linux fashion, things are meant to work, but then they actually crash and don't. So then you have to spend a few minutes rejigging everything and taking up a lot of your time. But having said that, in the short time I've spent here, actually it's one of the longest shoots I've ever done, but in the time I've spent sitting at the desk, we've gotten email, YouTube downloading, word processing, thumbnail editing, and even video editing. So yes.
Kind of.
Can you use Linux as your everyday machine? Well, if you dedicate a solid day setting up things just the way you want, maybe it can be your everyday machine. Anyway, let me know, what operating system do you use? Let me know in the comments below, and everyone who uses Linux, tell me everything that I did wrong. I am sure there are many, many things. Get yourself a charge, and until next time,
beautiful.
Stay funky, everyone. Samtime signing off. Okay, you need to put in your password just to turn it off.
Subscribe today.
Yeah.
Can't play MP4 in Ubuntu. Look at this, it's all in Romanian. All right then, so I don't think we're gonna get videos today. My watch is wrong. Linux broke my watch somehow. I'm applying a flanger to me, everyone. As tiny as our updates now. Did you notice the flanger?
I don't know what the flanger does. Linux. Oh, it's the wrong account. Let's go to my other account.
Linux.
Linux bad. Certified Arch Linux YouTuber. There we go. I want to write my own composite, especially now knowing my game engine can boot in DRM mode. That is really cool. That is cool that you can do that. Oh god. So, no, by the way, do you even Arch? By the way. There we go. Oh god. I like Sam Time. Check out the video. I'll send it here. Steam has allowed preloading of PoE 2. Wait, really? Hold up. Path of X. Holy shit, we can preload it.